Check out this 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door sedan, priced at $15,500 and located in Eatonville, WA. This classic car is in excellent condition and features a beautifully maintained, all-original body with a stunning Brookhaven dark blue paint job. Powered by a 216 straight-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it runs great and is free from rust. The car has an odometer reading of 123,456 miles and offers a clean title. It's an ideal choice for collectors or anyone interested in starting a restoration project, or even as a vintage driver. The interior is just as impressive, with gorgeous blue details complementing the exterior. Additional features include Fenton headers, a split manifold, and dual exhaust. This car retains its original charm, with no power amenities, making it a true classic for those who appreciate vintage automobiles. Whether you want to show it, drive it, or turn it into your next street rod project, this Chevrolet Master Deluxe won't disappoint. Check out the link in the description for more details. Check out this classic 1929 Pontiac sedan, priced at $18,000 or best offer, located in Malvern, Ohio. This vintage beauty runs on gas and features a 283 motor with an automatic power glide transmission. It has only 32,000 miles on the odometer, a clean title, and is in good condition overall. The brown paint gives it that timeless vintage look, complemented by new tires, rims, and tinted windows. Perfect for anyone looking for a classic restoration project or simply to add a rare vintage car to their collection. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Check the description for more details and photos. For sale is a 1929 Pontiac two-door sedan priced at $12,000, located in Hugo, Minnesota. This classic car features a robust 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, with an odometer reading of just 36,000 miles. The vehicle is in excellent condition, having been garage kept for many years, and boasts a virtually rust-free body with a striking black paint color. The interior is new, making it a great candidate for a vintage driver or restoration project. The car includes unique features such as the rare oval rear window and an original knobby tread spare tire. It also comes with a custom car cover. The title status is clean, and while the car has not been started recently, it could be driven as is or customized further. Serious inquiries are welcome, but lowball offers will not be entertained. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Here's an amazing opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with this 1923 Ford Model T bucket hot rod priced at $15,000 in La Mesa, California. This vintage gem is powered by a Chevy 383 stroker engine with dual AFB carburetors mounted on a Wien tunnel ram paired with a gear drive and Jerry Schneider cam for a thrilling performance. The car features Hallebrand vintage magnesium 11.5 wide rear wheels and a Hallebrand quick change rear end with disc brakes, originally from a 1963 Culver City unit. The American Racing spindle mount magnesium front wheels add an iconic touch. With a clean California title, current registration, and only 12,345 miles on the odometer, this Model T runs cool, shifts smoothly, and offers strong oil pressure. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or looking for a unique restoration project, this car's vintage appeal and powerful setup make it an exceptional find. Don't miss the chance to add this incredible hot rod to your collection. For more details, check out the link in the description below for a video and additional information. Check out this 1928 Dodge Victory 6 sedan. Priced at $12,500, This classic car is in good condition with only 900 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 250 Chevy engine and equipped with a turbo automatic transmission, this car is ready for a fun drive. Features include a new aluminum radiator, all 12-volt electrical system, halogen headlights, new taillights, poly gas tank, disc brakes, and electric windows. The car still retains its original body with suicide doors and a hinge-out windshield. The powder blue and tan upholstery needs some work on the door panels, but remains charming. This vintage beauty has a clean title and is ready to be driven. Whether you're into restoration or just looking for a cool vintage ride, this car is a great option. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details. Up for sale is this stunning 1923 Model T Roadster, offered at $12,000 in Quinlan TX. This vintage beauty is in like-new condition, with only 8,900 miles on the odometer. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a rear-wheel drive RWD setup and runs on gasoline. The car is painted in a vibrant yellow, a perfect eye-catching color for any classic car enthusiast. The title is clean, ensuring a smooth transfer of ownership. This is a fantastic find for collectors and those looking for a timeless piece of automotive history, or even a potential restoration project. Don't miss out on the chance to own this rare classic. Check the link in the description for more details and pictures. Here we have a 1923 T-Bucket, a true gem for classic car enthusiasts, priced at $18,500 in Columbus, Kansas. This beauty is powered by a 4.3 Chevy V6 roller motor with an Edelbrock intake, roller cam, and a Demon carburetor, paired with a turbo 350 transmission and a Jaguar rear end. The car is painted in a bold orange, and it features lake-style headers, a steel top, and a front-wheel drive system. The odometer reads just 300 miles, and the condition is described as good, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to invest in a rare vintage ride. The clean title ensures a smooth transaction. This T-Bucket is a fantastic opportunity for restoration or as a functional classic car to enjoy. Check out the link in the description for more information and photos. Here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, a stunning classic that's in excellent condition. Powered by a V8 engine, it provides great power and performance. This T-Bucket features an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a fun ride on the open road. With only 13,000 miles on the odometer, it's a low-mileage gem that's ready to be enjoyed or restored. The custom paint job adds a unique touch to its vintage style. The title is clean, and the vehicle is ready for its next enthusiast. This could be a fantastic project or an excellent addition to any collection. At $18,000, it's a great opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, check the link in the description for pictures and further information. This 1929 Dodge is a classic piece of automotive history, available for $11,900 in Milford, NH. It features an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, RWD, making it a solid base for restoration or as a vintage driver. The odometer shows only 156 miles, indicating minimal usage. The car is in good condition with a clean title and has a turbo 350 transmission, a 9 Ford rear end, and a Ford Mustang front end. While it runs and drives, it needs finishing work. The car comes with metal floors and roof, plus many parts for restoration. This Dodge is an excellent project car for enthusiasts looking to bring a vintage gem back to life. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Today, we're looking at a classic 1929 Ford Model Tudor sedan, a true gem for car enthusiasts and collectors. Priced at $12,500, this vintage beauty is located in Bowdoin, Maine. It features a 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and runs on gasoline. The car has an odometer reading of 99,999 miles and comes with a manual transmission. The exterior is painted green, and despite its age, the car remains in good condition with only a small amount of mouse damage on the rear seat. While the title is missing, the car is drivable, stops well, and would be perfect for a restoration project or as a rare addition to any collection. If you're into vintage cars, this 1929 Ford Model Tudor sedan is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Check out the description for more details and photos.